Welcome to RepairSuite. Using RepairSuite, you can manage your shop and multiple branches effortlessly. To add your branches to RepairSuite, simply click on the Settings button on the left menu. Then visit the branch page. Here, you can see your available branches and you can add a new branch. Simply fill in your branch name. Provide an email, type in your phone number, type your address. You can choose to keep the status as active or inactive. Now you can upload your branch logo. Then click on Create. And that's all. Your branch has been added to the list. Let's create another branch. As you can see, all of our branches have been added to the list successfully. Currently, this branch is active. I can easily switch between branches. Reload the page to see the changes. Or we can click on the top left corner and select the branch we want to use. To edit a branch, click on the Action button, go to Edit. Make the necessary changes and click Update. If you need to delete a branch, simply click on the Action button and then click Delete. Your branch will be deleted successfully.